Buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. For that, you want to go to your phone icon there, go to the three little dots, go to settings, and then you can go to blocked numbers. And now you can enable the, unknown block calls from unidentified callers. You won't receive calls or texts from blocked numbers. And you can also go ahead and add a phone number here. You can also go back to caller ID and spam, and then you can see this is enabled right now. See caller ID and spam ID, identify business and spam numbers, filter spam calls, prevent suspected spam calls from disturbing you. So you can enable this as well, and then when the phone thinks that this might be a spam caller, then they won't be able to reach you. So you can now go ahead and block all the numbers you want to block, and then afterwards you can enjoy the silence. So that's how you can block numbers on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.